There are rumors that quartz slab producers are considering investing in ceramic manufacturing technologies for the future. Is it true that demand for ceramic tiles is growing faster than the quartz slabs? Let us deepen this topic with some interesting data. Ceramic tiles imported in the US in square meters increased by about 13.6%. In the same period, quartz slabs increased in percentage by about 22% more than ceramic tiles. The ceramic tiles import average price per square meter increased by about 11%, reaching an average of $11.77 in September 2022. Instead, the quartz slabs import average price per square meter decreased by about 8.5%, reaching an average of $85 in September 2022. The reasons behind this decrease in quartz import prices are the following. First, the Indian average export price to the USA remains one of the most competitive, with impressive increases in volume between 2021 and 2022 of about 65%. Also, the Spanish company Cosentino, because of a corporate reorganization between 2021 and 2022, decreased formally its average export price by about 29%, keeping its selling prices stable with increasing volumes year on year. Another relevant aspect for the coming future will be the USA's decision on quartz import tariffs from India. If the USA confirms the rumors, we could see increasing average prices because of growing export volumes by other countries. In 2022, ceramic volumes in square meters are approximately 6 times higher than quartz slabs, creating just 80% of quartz revenues. We close with a little question for entrepreneurs. Why should it be convenient for a company to invest in a ceramic production plant if ceramic export volumes in the USA are almost 6 times the volumes of quartz products, creating a total revenue of only 80% of the quartz total revenue? Let us know in the comments section. Thanks for watching, and do not miss the next Bretonstone videos.